Hey there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight, and on this video, I just want to recap a little bit about a concept that I said on a previous videos about the colors inside Elementor, and I just wanted to provide a little more clarity about that. So let's just go ahead and see that immediately. So if you recall on a previous video, I had added some colors to my settings inside Elementor. So I came here to the hamburger menu, and from the hamburger menu, I went down to site settings and then to global colors. And I added some colors here. So by default, Elementor gives us four colors: the primary, the secondary, the text, and the accent. And I added this one here, Tiffany blue and orange peel. Now, I just wanted to clarify, it is critically important that you use colors that match. I'm just using this site for training purposes, and that is the reason why I just selected any color. But you want to make sure that you do get colors that match. So if you go over to Google and you type get color palette, one of the preferred sites that you would probably want to go to get those colors is this one, colors.co. And from there, then you want to head over to explore on the top right corner. And from explore, then you'll get a series or a set of palettes that you can utilize. Now, I don't remember exactly which one I selected here, but the concept is that you will use only colors that really match. So uh, in this case, I added these colors here, Tiffany blue and orange peel. That is fine. You can add, as you see the button here, you can add multiple colors inside of Elementor. But it is good that you use, that you replace, if you don't want these full default colors, that you replace them for the colors that you want. Remember that the primary color is used for headings and icons. So coming over to Elementor, you are going to be using a lot of headings, a lot of headings or titles. You will be using those a lot. So you want to make sure that you can select. Let's say I like this color palette. Actually, I copied it. I can come here to the three dots and go up to open in the generator. Let's suppose that I like this color palette. Well, from there, you will need to define which of these colors you would like to be your header or your heading, or for your titles, which of all these colors that is here you will like on your site that it will be your heading colors. And that is the one that you will come here and copy and then replace in the hamburger menu, go down to site settings and then go to global colors, and you would replace that color here where it says primary. You just touch this color, it opens up the color picker, and here we have the hex code. You just go ahead and enter the number there. Just enter the number there. Let me just go ahead and do it. I'm not going to save it. So I will come here. Let's say I choose that this one is going to be my headings. So I will just copy the hex color. I come back over to Elementor, and I'm already here in the color picker. I'm just going to paste it there. And obviously I will remove this part and leave the number sign. So let me just go ahead and not save that. But as I said, that is what you want to do to ensure that you're using colors that match. Then you want to choose what is going to be my secondary color. If you come back here to the Elementor's page, it says that secondary colors are used for list items, subheadings, animated headings, and price tables, backgrounds. Text colors are used primarily for paragraphs and menus. So on your website, you will be using a lot of paragraphs and a lot of text. So you will want to ensure once more that the text color, for example, if I just added a text here, I'm going to exit out from here. If I just added a text here, is going to add the default color. And it's going to add the default color just because it has that defined here under the settings, colors, and the default color is going to be this one here. So it's going to have that defined. So again, the purpose of this video is just to recap a little bit of what I said on that video where you saw I had these colors. Just make sure that you have colors that match. You can come over here to the Elementor's page. Just type in Google which elements are impacted by default color palette. It will take you directly to Elementor, and you can review, or you can just pause the video and take some notes about these 4 colors: the primary, secondary, text, and accent colors, and what is used for. For example, the accent color is used for buttons. You will have a lot of buttons on your website, so you want to make sure that you select a color that you really want, that you really feel comfortable with. So I just wanted to make sure that you understood that correctly. And if you feel that the content of these videos are good, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate that. I'll continue rolling out and bringing out more videos about Elementor. Until then, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching my video, and have a wonderful day.